Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make custard sharbat recipe, and this is a delicious and refreshing drink that combines the creamy textures of custard with the cooling effect of sabza and the fruity goodness of jelly. Custard sharbat is a perfect treat for Ramzan Iftar or simply to beat the heat on a hot day. Let's begin the recipe. In a saucepan, heat 2 cups of milk. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and bring it to a boil while stirring occasionally. After boiling, keep aside. In a separate small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of milk with 2 teaspoons of custard powder until smooth and lump-free. Keep aside. In a small bowl, take 1 teaspoon of Sabja Seeds with 3 teaspoons of water and soak for 10 minutes. Now, blend almond, pista, and cardamom into a fine powder depending on your preference. Now I am adding the blended nuts into the milk and stirring continuously. Now gradually add the custard mixture while stirring continuously. Cook the mixture on low heat until it thickens to a smooth custard consistency. Allow it to cool down completely before processing. In another saucepan, boil 1 cup of water and add jelly powder. Stir well until the jelly powder dissolves completely. Then let it cool and set. After cool down completely, you can keep it in fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. When the jelly becomes perfect, you can cut the jelly like this. Once everything has cooled, combine the soaked sabja seeds with the custard mixture. Pour the cool strawberry jelly mixture. Serve the custard sharbat chilled or at room temperature. Enjoy the refreshing custard sharbat with its creamy custard base, textured nuts, and fruity jelly layers. Thank you for watching my recipe.